Kumusta kayo dyan, mga kahigalaan? So, today mga kahigala is, nagluluto ako. Kasi nga, si Banana, nagsa-cycling siya. So, yun, same as usual na naman, matagal kami gumising. So, oras ngayon is 12 na, no? So, nagluluto ako sa minarinit ko kahapon, no? Ito yun. Yan. Tapos si Banana, mga higala, is bago siya umalis, naglagay ng mga dumi namin na damit doon sa washing machine. So, ako na yung magsampay, no? So, yun, tapos hindi pa tapos yung washing. So, magluluto din ako ng eggplant. Lagyan ko siya ng tuna. Mga higala, ito na yung lagyan ko ng itlog, flour. Wala akong mga higala. Walang all-purpose flour dito. So, nilagay ko is cake flour. Di ko alam kung ba siya. Pwede ba? Tapos, nagluto din ako ng rice. Wow! Luto-luto. Kasi, sarap kasi pag may rice. Mga higala, tapos na si Bana og cycling. Ito na. Tapos, yung washing still not finished pa.
He didn't have his action can with him.
Yeah.
So, he can't show how he rode.
Ang dali lang niya nag-cycling today. Tapos, tignan niyo yung bike niya. Maganda kasi yung weather today. Yan yung. Ito na yung eggplant with tuna, mga kahigalaan. Tapos, yung pork. Wow! Pwede pala ang cake flour, mga kahigalaan, no? So, now I know. Di pa natapos yung winawashing namin. So, later kakain kami pagkatapos namin. Magsampay muna. So, si Banana is nag-check pa kung tapos na ba. May problema kasi yung washing till now hindi pa natapos. Umuwi na lang si Banana ko. Hindi ka nag-cycling. Yeah, ito na. Bait ni Banana, oh!
Sana,
Sampay muna kami, mga kahigala.
Truth is, I'm doing all the work and she's standing here doing nothing. That's that. Pretending to move the basket. Yeah? Look at this, little girls. Look at this, yeah? Only little girls back there.
Mga higala, tapos na kami nagsampay. Kakain na kami now. Kasi mag-alauna na.
We've done the washing, but this basket is so heavy, okay? So we have to both carry it, okay? Alright, we do everything together, alright?
1 hour later.
Katatapos pa lang namin kumain, mga higala. Sobrang nabusog kami. So yun, lumabas kami saglit. Kami ni mahal ko para maghanap ng SD card para sa bagong camera niya. Tapos stick din. Kung makakita kami ng stick sa camera. So yan na, mga higala, oh. Yan na yung stick at camera. Yan, tapos bumili kami ng baraha kasi mag-sat and blow kami mamaya. Challenge.
When Mum goes diving with the sharks, you know, underneath the seawater, I can take a video of her swimming with the sharks.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Hello folks, we're going to play a crazy game.
Challenge.
Now it's a challenge and there's a lot of kissing involved. Now I gotta kiss this one.
We'll try now. We will try now, mga higala, no? So, mga higala, mag-start na kami, no? Kung hindi mananalo, mga higala, is remove the clothes, ha? Okay?
I'm of course going to win, so she's going to be sitting here naked, okay?
Pati ka, higala.
You lost. You didn't go anywhere.
No, yung
No. Now me, I must take it. Yeah. Wait, just leave it.
Okay.
I must take it now.
Take it.
Yeah, I can take it. Top must go off. Told you. She's going to be naked by the time. Okay?
No.
Because it's this, then it's the t-shirt. Okay.
Yan na.
Okay.
Mm.
Is it me?
No.
No, it's me now. You must take it.
Okay.
You're cheating. No, it's me. Come. Come. No. I'm going to sports bra on.
No.
You cheat. You see, she's cheating. She's got a sports bra on.
No, mahal. Yala.
Come. Oh no! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah!
No, you can put, I'm the one. No, it's really bad.
Oh, and you went away. Come down, you. No, hold it. I must take it away. Don't look now.
Oh my god! Wow!
Don't crook. This is a lovely pink top. Huh? It's not going to be here for very much longer, okay? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come, me now.
Ano dun yung bana ba?
Didn't I just win
No,
now?
you're the one.
Oh, no, that's you.
1, 2, 3, go.
Are you sure you're the one?
Yeah! Yan
Oh, yeah, I just won that one.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, winning! Yan na, it's included. Yan na. Go. Ano?
I think you just cheated now.
No, I'm not cheating.
Yeah, you cheated now. You just lost that. Yeah?
Yan lang.
No. She's crooking. I must check because she just lost. Okay, you lost it. And you
Close
didn't-
your eyes.
And you didn't. And you didn't take
Close your eyes.
You didn't take your you didn't take it off. You're supposed to take your top off.
No.
Yeah. No, your pants. No. No. Come.
Like, what the fuck are you doing?
See, what do you see? She's cheating. She's cheating. Okay. I'm not doing it.
I'm not cheating.
You're cheating, yeah. You're cheating.
No.
Oh, what shall we do? Remove the top or remove the pants?
What? Remove that. No.
Now she's got to remove that. Okay.
No way. Don't want to remove.
Oh, well, you have the choice of pants or the top.
No way, no.
No, wait, no. She plays this game. She plays this game, and now she doesn't
Okay, I'm gonna
remove.
remove this.
Remove.
No.
Yalla.
You ready? No, you're not ready. Yeah, you must
Yeah.
come.
Huwag niya akong bala. Kahubot ka lahat.
She cheats all the time, okay?
Wala naman kami nagawa dito mga kahigalaan, no? So yun, mga kahigalaan.
What was that we saw? Oh, okay.
So the
Hi, guys.
challenge mga kahigalaan is finished.
As we had said in our previous broadcast, we would get t-shirts done,
Yeah,
okay?
kuha na namin hapon.
The couple's t-shirts with our YouTube name, which is MR.sa and Couple.
Yeah, lagyan
Okay, we've had them printed. We'll use them more when we do outside videos and also when we do challenges at home. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I will hand you over to. man here because she's going to do a little bit of a shout out as well.
Ayan. Natapos na yung crazy challenge namin mga kahigalaan. So, mag-shout out muna tayo bago matapos to. Okay, shout out to Aileen Angkaya, Yuli Torres, Team Tripod E Vlog, Cindy B Family, and the Sukas, and my cousin Lia Pam TV. So, thank you mga kahigalaan. Thank you sa always tingin sa mga videos namin. Sana hindi kayo magsawa.
So yeah, and for all the other people that do follow us and that do subscribe, we say thank you very much. We thank you for the support. And yes, I think we're quite proud of our YouTube t-shirts, okay, with the YouTube logo and our name on it, okay?
Yeah, maybe next time, mga higala is ito na naman kulay gray.
We're looking at
This one.
the grey one to actually do the African Bishan couple on printing on this one as well.
So dito
Okay.
white din, no?
All right. Why we're doing this is that we like cycling and we enjoy that. So I thought, well, we'll incorporate the cycling with the actual YouTube couple, with the YouTube African Bishan couple.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So thank you mga kahigala.
Thank you, Higala.
I hope na-enjoy kayo.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Bye.